What's going on, everyone? 我是麦克老师. Right back there is my new finished remodeled apartment. I mean, it's 99% finished. There's still a few little things to do here and there, but why don't you come and check it out? The first thing I'd like to draw your attention to is something very special about this door. Spent a little, not a lot of extra money on something maybe we didn't really need. You know, we had it custom made. You know, we imported this post-it note from the US, and the marker came from Italy, and the tape was made with a special glue from the rainforest of Tanzania. And, I'm just kidding. That's what I mean when I say 99% done. A few little things that just haven't quite finished yet. Shall we go in and have a look? And I love this keyless entry. Just kidding. But first, a word from our sponsor, me. The most common question I get by far is, can I study English with you? Of course, yes. Many of you have told me you just can't improve your English because you don't have an English-speaking environment or can't find a reliable English-speaking partner. It leads to a lot of frustration, wasted time, wasted money, and then naturally people will just give up. Maybe they don't get that new job or the new promotion or make new friends from all over the world. Just want to remind you, I still have 10 courses available for you, both free and paid. You can check out my brand new website at michaelauscher.com. I also have my public account, Real Michael Lauscher. Better than that, we've got a brand new English-speaking club. We're creating a completely new English-speaking community, an environment for you to practice your English as much as you want with real people. Everyone in there is super excited and extremely motivated to improve their English with each other. And even though registrations for September are closed, we are going to have an October group. You can go to my website, click English Club, and get on the wait list. Or you can click the link below, reserve your spot today. Seats will fill up fast, but if you're on the wait list, I will make sure you get notified first. No more excuses that you don't have the English environment. Here it is. I promise to make a ton of friends, be able to practice English as much as you want, and finally improve your English. All right, let's check out the new place. Wow! My designers around here somewhere. Oh, 他在这里，这是我们这么厉害的设计师，季设计师，他是中国最厉害的设计师。
这个太夸张了，
有点谦虚吧？我们的要求比较高，房子比较小，怎么搞得定？
其实我觉得更多的是不是我来设计的，其实由你们来设计的，我只是给你们去一点参考意见，然后把关一下。
歌曲全都是你设计的吧？因为我们就是想了好几个月之后，想不到这个比较合适我们的那个歌曲。We have the entrance here.
下面可能是鞋柜，然后呢，上面的话可能做一点储杂物的一个空间，然后这边是一个衣帽柜。因为所以说这个鞋柜比普通的要稍微深一点，50倍左右的一个空间。然后这个刚好是
这个柜子，
对，一个嵌入式冰箱，
其实有点冷了。So if we go in here, we have Xiaomai's room, but we have a sliding door, which I think is super cool. So right when you walk in, the light comes in very naturally. So the bed is like a tatami, so we've got drawers under here. Under the bed is just all storage. So he's got plenty of closets here, as you can see. 然后他的这个小窗户本来是就这么矮吧？
原来是一个厨房间的一个窗户。
哦，对。
然后呢，我们直接把它挪到地面，对，因为要不然的话，你这边就是有点太高，
是的，
感觉有点太压抑了。我们之前其实还有一个考虑这边放了一个开关嘛，其实以后可以考虑在这边做一个双人床，因为可能会考虑没准以后就会多加一个 baby 啊，或者是。
Alright, my favorite part， 我最喜欢的地方就是我们开放的厨房跟客厅连在一起。我觉得你最厉害的设计就是把我们的那个台面边用那个餐桌，边用那个厨房。
其实就是厨房间的台面，然后延伸到餐厅这一块，然后两个可以融合到一块。操作面太小了，就厨房间我们洗完之后要操作，这个东西其实符合就是麦克的一个个人的一个需求或者是一个生活的一个习惯。因为我们空间相对来说比较小一点，所以我们从原来的话从洗到切配到那个炒菜。 其实目前来讲的话，没有一个很好的一个操作空间，所以其实我们这个既是餐桌，也是一个厨房间。在这个厨房间切配啊，或者做饭的时候，刚好小朋友在那边的时候，也可以稍微看着一点。对。然后来的朋友的时候，也可以围绕着这个一个整个相当于家庭的一个中心点一样的。然后包括今天洗手的时候，其实我们有时候不需要从这边绕过来，我们直接从客厅这边站到这个地方就可以洗一下。
对，
是比较方便的。
他是来上海，我可以这边就洗海没问题。
对，
这个是我最喜欢的。好像。
然后这里面其实很多人其实担心油烟的问题。其实油烟的话，一呢是跟你烧饭的一个菜系有关，第二个呢跟你自己的一个喜好有关，第三个呢就跟油烟机。还有一个呢是我们额外的，其实在这个地方也加了一个排风扇备用的，就是我们这边就需要刚好利用这一块，原来是一个管道。以前是一个很令人头疼的一个管道井，然后把它利用起来，然后做了一个操作台面。
本来的方案中全部没有这个东西吧？
对，没有，当时也没有这个空间。
对，没有这个空间。颜色是我老婆选择的，是世界上最好看的颜色。然后这是我们的客厅，反正不是特别大，但是感觉还是好舒服的吧。本来是要买那个大大的那个沙发，后来就发现到要短一点就好了，中间还有空间可以让小孩玩。我们这个客厅的层高3.4米，对吧
？3.4米不到的样子，但是这个层高已经是非常的高了。
我的花墙，对，就每个人就一看到感觉，哎呦，这是没弄好吗？还是什么情况？但是这是故意做的。还有我妈手工定制的挂毯，她真的有能力，她经常会做这种挂毯，就是跟我老家有连接吧，就是 Land of 10,000 Lakes， 就是明尼苏达州。You can see the snow, skates, sleds, snowflakes, trees. We've got our standard TV, but you know, if you're outside, maybe you want to watch a basketball game, or maybe you're like cooking over there, you can turn it like this. Mosquito. 那我们到露台看一下吧。可以享受外面舒适的天气。干嘛？ We've got a table and chairs, and when it's not raining, we just eat out here every night. It's always like a nice little breeze that comes through here, and we had the carpenter make these like little wooden benches here. So the space is pretty much done. We may add an umbrella, maybe a little bit of storage. Let's go back in and check out the bathroom. You can see we actually moved the sink, the wash area outside of the bathroom. Before there was a toilet, shower, and a sink all inside this room. But we moved this outside because there was another little kind of indented area in the original construction, so thought we just space it out a little bit and use this space. We didn't have much room here, so we had to use like a shorter toilet. Actually, it left us with a much bigger shower, which I'm happy about, because originally the shower was like just in this little corner here. It was tiny. Again, the designer helped us pick out some awesome tiles, and really couldn't be happier with how it turned out. Also, we had added a wall here, so this became a little storage space for us to put toiletries, towels, papers, things like that. 这个是假的，为什么？
因为是给这边用的。
对。If you come in here, you can see we just have a whole wall of cabinets. This is kind of more like office stuff, which we do a little office work at the desk. This is all for my wife. I'm not going to open that. I'm sure it's very clean and organized.
No.
And this is all my stuff here. It's just like Xiaomai's room. We got drawers here, drawers here. If I can lift this up, all these tatami boxes underneath, and a king size bed. Oh, so nice. One little thing which I love is this shade. It's like a two-way shade, so in the daytime you can bring it down, it lets all the light in, and then at night you can just bring it up and it's just pitch black in here. Or, you can just lift it up and open the window. So that fake door out there is actually this little spot where we can put photos, books, and things. And up above we have a big storage unit right up there. Luggage and just bigger items in here. And again, that is actually above this hallway right here. It's still crazy to me that we turned this 48 square meter apartment into a 2-bedroom. It's not big, but has everything we wanted, and it's all thanks to this guy right here. 非常感谢. If you guys are looking for an amazing designer, highly recommended. 我非常推荐他，可以在抖音找他，或者你可以联系我。他从头到最后就是非常负责任，like everything we wanted, everything we needed. He was there to help us, so 我非常感谢你。你对新房子怎么样 ？What？ 要不要搬回老家 ？So that's the new house. Leave a message below. Tell me what you think. Thank you for watching on this journey. As always, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。